I went through the same thing. I had to hustle every single deal, right? Every year, even faster now, we're seeing the behavior of the customers way different. As marketers, as business people, we have to give people the experience that they're after and that they want, right? So for example, if people don't want to talk to you, why force them to?
Right.
I had to be on the phone and know every single deal. I had to touch it before. I had to help. Even when I started getting initial salespeople, I got to help them close it, give them information, blah, blah. Now there's customers that don't want to talk. I've done some deals on Instagram where I just send them a link. We DM back and forth. They do the whole process, right? They didn't want to talk to me. It took 0 minutes of talk time. And you got to understand that there's the customer base that's out there is getting used to doing that, especially through the e-commerce world that we're living in, where there's no face-to-face. People's behavior is changing. So your behavior can't be stuck because you're the one providing the service.